The South African Police Service has confirmed that the charred body found in cell 35 at the Mangaung Correctional Service have been identified. The body in question is believed to have been used in the escape of murderer and artist Thabo Bester. Now, a man who goes by the name Mpolo went on to News 24 and Twitter to confirm that the burnt body that was found in Thabo Bester's cell in Mangaung prison last year May is that of his son Mpolo, you guys. According to police spokesperson Colonel Anslinda Mate, the identification of the body comes after a direct match was made with the DNA of the biological mother of the deceased. A very devastated and heartbroken father, Mpolo, had this to say on Twitter, you guys. The body that was burned by Thabo Bester in prison was that of my son. Our own government is failing us. I am heartbroken. I need somebody who can help me write a book. The title of it will be The Gap. My life has been full of gaps. Somebody help. Now there you have it, guys. Please do comment, also subscribe. I'll see you in the next upload. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.